I've edited hundreds of emails written by business professionals, and there's one mistake that I see again and again. Even when overall these people's English is really impressive and their grammar is really good, most of them still make this one mistake, and that is using within instead of by. So in this video, we're going to look at when we use by and when we use within. By means at or before a specific time. I will be there by 5 o'clock. This means I will be there at or before 5 o'clock. I plan to finish the report by the end of this week. This means I plan to finish the report before next week, probably this Friday. I'm going to be home by December 25th. This means I plan to be home on or before December 25th. Within means before the end of a time period. I expect to be there within the next 30 minutes. This means I expect to be there sometime between now and 30 minutes from now. I plan to finish the report within a week. This means I plan to finish the report sometime between now and 6 or 7 days from now. I'm going to be home within the next 7 months. This means I might be home next month. I might be home 7 months from now. I might be home sometime in between. I know you might still have some questions about by or within. I can't answer everything in this video, but the main thing that I want you to understand is that if you have a specific date or a specific time, you cannot use within. You can't say within May 27th. You can't say within 5 p.m. For a specific date or a specific time, you can use by. I'll finish the project by May 27th. I'll call you by 5 p.m. And right now, it's 4:15 on May 23rd. So if I want to use within, I could say, I'll finish the project within the next 4 days. I'll call you within the next 45 minutes. And you might want to know what's the difference between at and by. If we're talking about a time, at means at, not before, not after, but at. By means at or before.